Is it time to buy or sell Regencell Bioscience Holdings stock? In this video, we will explore Regencell Bioscience Holdings in greater depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 10th of September, 2025, and we are now here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to keep up with our latest analyses. You won't want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Utilize the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 4th of September 2025, our system has classified Regencell Bioscience Holdings as a sell candidate, resulting in a score of -2.58. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Surprisingly, the stock has outperformed our system's predictions, showing a gain of 3.66%. This equates to an average return of 0.73% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned at the upper part of a very broad and declining trend in the short term. This scenario typically presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back toward the lower segment of the trend is anticipated. A breakthrough at the upper trend line, specifically at $25.78, would initially signal a slower rate of decline and may serve as an early indication of a potential trend shift. The current 3-month trend suggests a possible change of -87.39% over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging between -100% and -75.58%. When we examine the longer-term perspective, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of 20.76%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 20.76% to 8,261.38% over the upcoming year. In practical terms, this would place the future price between $16.07 and $1,112.90. Our latest daily update for Regencell Bioscience Holdings presents the headline, "A challenging day on Wednesday for Regencell Bioscience Holdings Limited stock," which experienced a decline of 1.92%. The stock price for Regencell Bioscience Holdings Limited decreased by 1.92% on the last trading day, Wednesday, the 10th of September, 2025, falling from $13.57 to $13.31. Throughout the trading day, the stock exhibited a fluctuation of 2.27%, with a low of $13.27 and a high of $13.57. Although the price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days, it remains down by 1.77% during this period. The trading volume also decreased on the last day, which is considered a positive sign, as volume typically aligns with stock movement. On the last day, trading volume fell by 109,000 shares, with a total of 113,000 shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $1.5 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the stock reached a peak price of $950. While the lowest price recorded was $3.53. Currently, the stock price is 98.60%, or $936.69, below the 52-week high of $950, which also stands as the all-time high for the stock. RGC Resources, trading as RGCO, is demonstrating a distinct turning point. The second quarter results released in May revealed consolidated earnings of $7,680,000, or 74 cents per share, driven by increased base rates and stronger volumes. The third quarter update in August provided a clearer picture. Consolidated quarterly earnings rose to $538,412, or 5 cents per share, up from 2 cents a year earlier, largely reflecting improved earnings from its investment in the now operational Mountain Valley Pipeline. Management maintained its dividend, declaring 20.75 cents per share, marking the company's 325th consecutive quarterly payout, and held an earnings call in mid-August to discuss the transition from investment to cash generation. In the short term, these positive results and clearer cash flow from the Mountain Valley Pipeline should enhance sentiment and support the stock during any re-rating or renewed dividend demand. though increased interest expenses and affiliate volatility may limit near-term gains. Looking longer-term, the sustained cash flow from the Mountain Valley Pipeline, combined with the regulated utility base and a favorable rate environment, underpins the durability of the dividend and potential for earnings growth, while being balanced by pipeline, regulatory, and interest rate risks that could pressure valuation if conditions worsen. Analysts have assigned Regencell Bioscience Holdings stock a general strong sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book value as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Regencell Bioscience Holdings. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence the near short-term development. The Regencell Bioscience Holdings Limited stock carries a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this creates a general sell signal for the stock, resulting in a more negative forecast. Should the stock experience further gains, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $13.50. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the short-term average at $13.30. A breakout above the long-term average will trigger another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will generate an additional sell signal, reinforcing the overall signal. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, July 3, 2025, and so far the stock has fallen by 42.11%. Further declines are indicated until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume decreased along with the price during the last trading day, which reduces the overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal from 48 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 9 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 3 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 3 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 4 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal from 61 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 45 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Regencell Bioscience Holdings. Regencell Bioscience Holdings Limited finds support from accumulated volume at $13.18. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is tested. The stock exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with a healthy trading volume, the risk is classified as medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 30 cents between its high and low, representing a change of 2.27%. In the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 6.08%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Regencell Bioscience Holdings, let's take a moment to discuss some important fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This significant ratio evaluates a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even established firms can face downturns, often due to circumstances beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios might point to ongoing profit issues and raise concerns about potential bankruptcy risks. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Regencell Bioscience Holdings. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Regencell Bioscience Holdings is at $14.75. If you do not own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could serve as a potential point for swing trading. On the downside, Regencell Bioscience Holdings faces its first support level at $13.18. If this support level holds, it may present a good entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for Regencell Bioscience Holdings from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock is older than 3 months. The latest trade occurred on the 28th of February, 2018, when Philip F. Anschutz conducted an insider sale of 12,440,000 shares of Class A common stock. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is Regencell Bioscience Holdings stock a worthy investment? Regencell Bioscience Holdings Limited displays several negative indicators, leading us to believe it will continue to perform poorly in the upcoming days or weeks. Thus, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock. After examining the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price appears undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 11th of September, we anticipate Regencell Bioscience Holdings will open higher by 7.29 cents, starting at $13.38. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It's essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Your investment choices should not be based solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at StockInvest.